Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you are all full fitted, fine and fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. You are watching that there is a little boy with me. His name is Shafwan and he study in madrasa. Shafwan, you are studying in madrasa? Huh? Yeah, he wants to be a hujur. বড়লে হুজুর হইতে চাও না মাওলানা? Maulana. Whenever your father see this video in Saudi Arab, he will be very happy to see you in my video. Okay, dear viewers, today we have come here to see the master shade or master field because this is the only field in our area and it creates extraordinary beauty in our area. They are become very shy. They feel shame because I don't know what the reason. But hey, sit beside me. বসো, 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 আসো। আয়ো, তোমার আব্বু তো আমার ভিডিও দেখে। আসো, okay. Today, we are very happy to see this kind of beauty. This yellow color creates an extra imagery in this area. And whenever we come here, we see that the bees are sucking the honey from these flowers. And the mustard honey is the best honey to be tasted. So, the bees take the honey or sucking the honey to make hive in their nest, and whenever they full the hive, after that we will collect the honey from the hive. So this mustard seed is only the field in this area, and the owner of this field, when we come here, they requested me don't pluck the flowers or don't thread the flowers. So we make the request, we keep the request of the owner. Some boys and girls come to take photos or make videos beside this master field. So once upon a time, the farmers like to cultivate the mustard seed or mustard, but in the passage of time, they are turning to cultivate the cornfield, and because they are more benefited than the mustard seed, because but the mustard seed is not grown all, because whenever the rain come, it will be trodden down. Whenever the rain will come, the mustard field will be trodden down. We don't accept this. It will be very loss for the owner of this mustard field. So কার এলাকায় মাসে এই সরষে ক্ষেত আছে, এমন সুন্দর দৃশ্য আমরা একটু ঘুরে দেখাই, ঠিক না? হ্যাঁ ভাইয়া, কি বলো? Okay, no, I don't want to take speak in Bangla because I create only English content. Sapo asho. Wow.